Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 2019 Christmas home tour. I am so excited. This is the first home tour I've ever done on YouTube, so you guys bear with me. I'm going to try not to make you dizzy, try not to make you sick, but let's get started. This is right when you walk in the front door. To the right of the front door is this really pretty lantern. The glass actually broke in it, so I just took all the glass out, threw some fairy lights in it, and this bow I made from ribbon that I got at Walmart last year. It's really pretty, really sparkly, and I really like it. Then you go into my office, and I'll talk about that Grinch in a minute. There's one of our puppies, Letty, and then this tree, the tree itself is actually new this year. It's pre-lit, 6.5 feet from Walmart. I love it. This tree just has really pretty red and bright green and white, super fun ornaments on it, a little bit of ribbon, and then the Christmas Santa hat on top is our topper. I actually made this wreath last year from Dollar Tree items. Love this wreath, so much fun. And then there's the Grinch. Ross has had this Grinch since I met him. It is over 5 feet tall. Apparently it used to dance and sing. It kind of freaks me out, honestly, but the kids absolutely love it. So I just went with it. I stopped fighting it and I just made an entire room around the Grinch theme. I made that little decor piece last year just from Dollar Tree, fun stuff, just something to put on my bookshelves. Our bookshelves are intense. And then everything else is just little stuff, generally that I got from the Dollar Tree. I made that little garland last year. I guess you'd call it a garland, right? It's just ribbon on a piece of yarn. It was fun, something to do while I was watching TV. This little glittery reindeer came from Hobby Lobby last year. Something that one of my babies made. These little trees are from the Target dollar spot from this year. Love the color of that one. And then oh, there's my little boxer. Just threw a little ribbon on him to make him look a little more festive. This tree came from the Target dollar spot, and I think that little reindeer was from Dollar Tree. So this is it, all together. From my office, you go into the kitchen, and I didn't do a lot in here except for this little hot chocolate stand, which is one of my favorite parts of Christmas. I got that little Mrs. Claus Cookie Company sign, as well as that little stocking from the Target dollar spot. The white bone china mugs are just mine. The little snowman coffee mug I got from Dollar Tree this year. And I made another one of those little pieces like the one in the office. It's just a tiny one that goes there. Little red Christmas balls are from the Dollar Tree. The garland in it is also from the Dollar Tree. The nice mug is from the Dollar Tree last year. And then I love those little cookie crisp things. My children eat them like they are going out of style. They're forever empty every time I reach for one. I just put some marshmallows on there. These little Believe and Santa towels I got from Target last year also. They probably need to be ironed, but you know, whatever. And then that candle is from Walmart. It smells like a Christmas tree. And then of course my Mrs. Myers. And then on the table, we actually use this table quite a bit. Like I said, we very much live in our house. I got all of these from Hobby Lobby, the little trees. Ross calls them the Where's Waldo hats. And then this is the Frosty room. It is the room that I actually made for Ross. I love it. I told you guys before, his nickname is Frosty, so that's his room. I got these white pillows from Walmart, as well as that big comfy blanket. The red and white, or the red and black pillow, I think I got from Target. My Bath & Body Works Twisted Peppermint candle, which I love. All of the other stuff came from Hobby Lobby. And then this is all black and white and red. The ribbon that is going around the tree I actually got from Big Lots last year. It's so cool. It's like curly. I really like it. And then the picks are from Hobby Lobby. Most of the ornaments honestly came from Dollar Tree. And then the hat is also from Hobby Lobby last year. On a few of the red ornaments, I just tied little buffalo check ribbon just to tie in the big curly ribbon that's going across the whole tree. And this tree is flocked. I really like it, but it makes such a mess. This really sweet Believe in the Magic of Christmas sign is from the Dollar Tree this year. It was $1. You cannot beat that. The red ribbon and the stockings, which I have 3 for our 3 dogs, are also from the Dollar Tree. And the snow is dusters from the Dollar Tree, kind of like the Swiffer dusters, but you just take it apart and it makes the best fake snow. That little reindeer is from Hobby Lobby. And this black sign, I'm going to put the words to Frosty on. There is our sweet mistletoe. Don't mind that spot in the ceiling where Ross's friend fell through our ceiling. And this leads right into the living room. Alright, walking into our living room on this right wall, these shutters and this window and the bless sign are here year round. The lamb's ear sparkly flocked wreaths I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And then down on this table is my Scentsy warmer with the Christmas tree scent. Over to the mantle, I do not do what I usually do, which is a lot busier, but just the garland this year, and of course our security camera, some speaker that Ross insists we need, and our remote charger. And then our stockings would just have our names on them embroidered. Our Christmas tree I got from Home Depot, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago. And then most of our ornaments, most of these decorations came from Dollar Tree. The oversized balls, the oversized stars, the magnolias, which I am super southern, so I know a lot of people don't like flowers for Christmas, but for me, magnolias go with everything. The only thing that I can think that didn't come from Dollar Tree were the picks, like those feathers, the white picks, those with the balls on them, and then I think that's it, honestly. Oh, the white balls came from Hobby Lobby this year, but were 50% off. All of these are shatterproof, so if they fall, because we do have 3 kids and 3 dogs, it's not gonna break, it's not the end of the world, but I really love this tree. Moving on to this little coffee table tray, a Santa that I picked up from the thrift store. The gold reindeer came from Hobby Lobby. The sleigh was from the Target Dollar Spot last year. And I got the tray, I think, at a thrift store as well. These are up year round as well, these little sconces. I just throw some frosted lamb's ear in there and some red berries from Dollar Tree. And I usually keep those up past Christmas just because they're kind of wintry, not super Christmassy. I actually made that really pretty mirror in the middle. And then, let's see, where are we going? Okay, so these pillowcases, I have 2 of them, and they came from Amazon in a pack of 2. I love them. That blanket is like a creamy color with gold polka dots, and I got it at Walmart last year. And then this little area, I really didn't know what to do with. You can tell we love our boxers. And I apparently also love my cookies. I just threw a ribbon on that lamp that is there most of the year, and then more lamb's ear with more berries and a little reindeer. Going back towards the entrance, this is the other way around, the way that the house splits. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this is a really pretty area. I got all of these candle holders from thrift stores, the Merry Christmas and the garland. I want to say the garland came from Hobby Lobby. I know the Merry Christmas did. And then I just threw some fairy lights in there. It's so sparkly and so pretty. I really love this area. Okay, onto the banister. I kept it really simple, just the garland this year with a couple of red bows that I tied out of ribbons. Letty has no clue what's going on and is less than amused, obviously. Walking into our little powder room, there's me. Hey y'all! I got this red pom-pom thing at Walmart. It was supposed to go on a letterboard, but I really liked it there. Those little towels came in a set of 2 from Walmart. My Mrs. Meyer's peppermint hand soap, which is my favorite holiday scent. And then this little shelf is over our toilet. I got that Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas sign from the Target Dollar Spot a couple of years ago, and my Grove Eucalyptus Mint candle. This is one of my favorite areas. I got all of these little houses from the Target Dollar Spot, and I think all of those bottle brush trees as well. The wreaths were from the Target Dollar Spot, and I just glued them on, and I'm a huge Chip and JoJo fan, so I love the silo. And then you go to our bedroom. Our comforter is from Target. I refuse to buy a really nice comforter because we have 3 big dogs that are often muddy and often don't listen and are on our bed. So that Merry Christmas banner came from the Target Dollar Spot 2 years ago, and then it's just a white string of lights up above it. Be Merry came from Walmart this year. It was like $10. And then these reindeer sheets came from Walmart last year. Ooh, that's a little fuzzy.
It is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Alright, now this is my favorite tree. I call it our Charlie Brown tree. Ross had it when I met him, and I don't know how old it is. It's so sparse, but I refuse to replace it at this point. I actually have to put lights on this one, which I hate. But this is all of our handmade ornaments. That's from a dog that passed away a couple of years ago. All the ornaments that our kids have made, ornaments that Ross's grandmother made, ornaments that our nieces and nephews have made. I just really love this tree. It's really sentimental to me. And I love it so much. That's why we keep it in here. I try to protect these ornaments. That is something that Ross's great grandmother actually made, and he's had them forever. And I just love this tree so much. More of my Grove peppermint candle.
It is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin.
I wanted to show you guys what it looks like at night. It's all sparkly and pretty, and I really love it. To me, this is where it looks a little more magical, is at night when it can be all lit up.
Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I also just want to say hey and welcome. My name is Victoria. I know it's a little late in the video to welcome you, but here it is. I am the mommy to 3 beautiful little boys. I'm also a nurse, so I do work full-time outside of the home. YouTube for me is so much fun. I do lifestyle videos, cooking, cleaning, mommy stuff, kind of rants, whatever strikes my fancy at the time. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. You just hit the red subscribe button, and it's totally free. It just lets you know when I post new videos, and I would just love to have you guys be a part of this super fun community that we're building.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.